Okay, I'm uploading my Truths and a Lie task for the IH Online course. That first one is in fact not a lie, that is my name, and my life has indeed been a mixture of truths and lies, some of which were intentional and some of which were not. You'll get to find out exactly how intentional some of these lies are in the next 3 slides. So, here's the first one. I should be writing Delta 5C documents right now. That's 100% true, I assure you. I'm actually currently working on a Delta Module 2 right now in Izmir, and it's come to the end. We're in week 6 and so of a full-time course, and so we have to write the 5C documents. These are documents I love, right from the bottom of my heart, and I can't wait to get back on writing them. Here's the second one. I'm learning to DJ. This is true. I am not quite a superstar DJ, but I have bought a DJ controller, just a simple one. It's Native Instruments. I've forgotten what the thing is. It's a Native Instruments. It runs on Traktor Pro. I've actually forgotten the model number. Is it a Mark II or a Mark IV? I can't remember. Anyway, I've got one of those. It's got 2 jog wheels and lots of little knobs and things that you twist, and when you play music on them, you can do things, like take the bass out and mix other tracks in. And so that's what I do in my spare time these days, and hence I've not been doing it very much recently. And the last one, I'm a former Olympic gymnast. Not many people know this about me, but actually in the year 2000 I represented Poland, and at the Olympics, obviously, in their gymnast team. Now, one of the things that was in my favour is that Poland actually has a very small gymnasts team, and I don't just mean in terms of height, although that is obviously part of it. And so that meant that from the competition to get in, it really wasn't that difficult. And so I represented Poland at 2 events. I didn't win any medals, and I didn't actually get past the first qualifying round, which is hardly surprising because I'm not the most flexible gymnast, but I did my best. Okay, so which one of them is true? Which other one of them is true? And which one of them is a lie?